A Winnipeg family speaking out and demanding answers after they claim their loved one sat way too long in the St Boniface Hospital's emergency room, and they believe it played a role in the 55-year-old's death. A flu was what Morgan Ross believed her mother had when they visited her family doctor twice in December. Her family claims both times she was sent home and told it was a virus, despite no tests were ran. When her conditions worsened on January 4th, her daughter Morgan Ross claims she went to St Boniface Hospital Emergency Department and waited 12 hours for care, and she was sent home again.
She was sick. She needed help. She asked for help and she didn't get it.
On January 15th, Ross was rushed to St. Boniface Hospital by ambulance, where her family says she waited another 11 hours to get admitted. At 10:17 p.m., the family claims Ross sent her last text message to her friend. At 11:30 p.m., the family was called to come down to the hospital, and by 12:58 a.m., the family says she died.
I sat with her in the waiting room until about 4 o'clock the second time, the day she passed. I sat with her for about 5 hours, and nobody even talked to her while she was there. Nobody checked in with her. Nothing was done in that time.
City News asked the Minister of Health for an interview. We received a written statement back that says it's important to clarify that these were not situations where patients did not receive care. It reads in part, people come to the hospital because they are very sick. And even when care is provided appropriately, outcomes can still be tragic because of the severity of illness. Not every death in hospital meets the criteria for critical incident, and that determination must be made carefully, based on evidence and established criteria. I do not make that decision, but I do expect serious outcomes to be reviewed thoroughly. As for the family, they hope no one has to go through what they have and hope they have answers soon.
I live alone now, and it doesn't help. That's the end of my story.
In Winnipeg, Francisca Oppong, City News.